Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a mind-blowing perspective picture from any single picture in the Canva. We have a secret weapon and I will teach you how to use it. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I'm just closing this page like this and opening a new page. I keep the background like this, that's good. Go into the apps, and the secret weapon, what I mentioned, is this transform image application. I just have to open it and uploading the file what I would like to use. And now we can start to work on it. I can zoom in the picture or zoom in, zoom out. If I using the right button of the mouse, I can move it. I can move the picture. And if I'm using the left button, the magic is starting. We can rotate in left, right, up and down. The only thing what we cannot do, flip it. So we have to keep it on this side. Anyhow, if we need it, we can flip the picture when the picture is already in the Canva. I just have to add this picture to the project. As you can see, I can just duplicate it and go into the flip horizontal, and it's already flipped as we want. As in this picture, you can see there is a shadow. It's easy to add the shadow. Just select the image, go into the edit, not duotone, sorry, shadows, and I just use the drop shadow. And using the same drop shadow here. And I can select both pictures. Then I can zoom in a bit, just to have a same size of the two pictures. Maybe I'm moving a bit closer to each other. As you can see, it's really amazing, and I really love this transform image tool. You can use the creativity to do anything on this picture. As you can see, it's a really beautiful perspective picture made from the original single picture, and we can use this one in any of our project. So this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.